In front of me is REDBEAT E3 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps and launching it in the background. Then do exactly the same to the second one and access background apps. Now pick one of your apps to be at the top half of your screen. I will go with Chrome. Click on the icon of it and select split screen. Then tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!